Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox after a new update. So first of all guys, you have to go to roblox.com. Now you just need to make sure that you have enabled the desktop mode on mobile if you are mobile, and if you're on PC you just need to click on this create tab. Here once you reach here guys, you just need to click on default experience, or will be by your name. So just username, so you just need to click on it. And here to create a game pass you have to open a menu. Here if you don't see on mobile, click on three bar to open it and scroll it down to the bottom, and you will see here monetization product, where you can find the passes. Click on it and now you can create your game pass directly from here. Click on create a pass, scroll down here, and now you can enter the name of the game pass like pass 1. You can enter the description here, demo, and now you just need to click on this create a pass button. When you click on it, your game pass will be created, and just click on it to configure it. Click on sale, click on item for sale, just click on this toggle button and enter the price here like 200 Robux. Now click on save changes. After this your game pass will be created. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. So if you want to add this game pass in please donate, you just need to open the game, please donate, and claim your stand, and your game pass will be listed there. Fine, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.